Are you looking for a home in Peoria, Arizona with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a pool over 2,800 square feet? Come inside and take a look. The heart of this home is undoubtedly this remodeled kitchen. Whether you are cooking a meal for your family or hosting guests, you will love cooking in this stylish space. Welcome to this backyard oasis with this sparkling pool and covered patio, perfect for entertaining. Step inside and you're greeted by an open and airy floor plan. The expansive living area flows seamlessly into the dining space, perfect for gathering family or hosting friends. This home offers 5 generously sized bedrooms, each filled with natural light. The primary suite is your private retreat, complete with spa-like ensuite bathroom. The additional bedrooms are perfect for children, guests, or even a home office. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious loft offering endless possibilities. Whether you envision a media room, a play area for the kids, or a quiet reading nook, this loft can adapt to your family's needs.